Hey everyone! Welcome back to While You Are There. Today, we're about to blow your mind with the top things you have to check out in Providence, Rhode Island. We're talking about epic events, incredible art, delicious food, and experiences you won't forget. This city's got it all, and we're about to dive right in. Get ready for some serious FOMO because you're going to want to book a trip after this video. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with Waterfire. Picture this. You're strolling along the rivers in downtown Providence. The air is electric with excitement. And bam, bonfires start erupting on the water. It's like something straight out of a blockbuster movie. Seriously, this event is off the charts cool. They have these massive braziers, like over 80 of them, all lit up, creating this magical, fiery glow on the water. And it's not just the fire, folks. There's music, there are performers, there's this whole incredible atmosphere that you just have to experience to believe. You can walk along the river, grab a bite to eat at one of the nearby restaurants, or even take a gondola ride. Yeah, you heard me right, a gondola ride. Make sure you check their website for the schedule because Waterfire happens on select evenings throughout the year. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. It's like the whole city comes alive for this event. Next up on our Providence adventure, we're heading to the Roger Williams Park Zoo. Get ready to meet some amazing animals from all over the world. We're talking lions, tigers, bears, elephants, giraffes, you name it, they've got it. And it's not just your average zoo experience, guys. They've got all sorts of cool exhibits and activities. You can get up close and personal with the giraffes on their feeding platform. You can explore the rainforest and see monkeys swinging through the trees. And you can even go on a safari ride. Okay, maybe not a real safari, but it's the next best thing. They have this awesome tram that takes you through the North American habitat, so you can see all the animals roaming around like they're in the wild. And for all you thrill seekers out there, they've got a zip line and a ropes course. So yeah, Roger Williams Park Zoo is not just for kids. It's a full-on day of fun for everyone. Ready for RISD Museum, Art Attack. All right, art lovers, get ready to be blown away. The RISD Museum, that's the Rhode Island School of Design Museum, is an absolute must-see when you're in Providence. We're talking world-class art here, folks. From ancient artifacts to cutting-edge masterpieces, this museum has it all. Seriously, you could spend hours here and still not catch everything. They've got paintings, sculptures, textiles, furniture, you name it. And it's not just one style or period. They've got treasures from all over the world and from different eras. It's like taking a thrilling journey through art history. Trust me, even if you're not a huge art buff, you'll be amazed by this place. And the building itself is a masterpiece. It's this stunning old building with grand halls and intricate details. It's the perfect setting for an art adventure. So make sure you add the RISD Museum to your list. You won't regret it. Get ready to eat. All right, guys, all this exploring is making me hungry. So let's head over to Federal Hill, Providence's Little Italy. And let me tell you, this place is a foodie's paradise. We're talking authentic Italian food, from classic pasta dishes to mouth-watering pizzas. And don't even get me started on the cannolis. But it's not just about the food. Federal Hill has this amazing, vibrant atmosphere. You can stroll down Atwell's Avenue, which is like the main drag, and check out all the shops and restaurants. You'll find family-owned businesses that have been there for generations, so you know the food is legit. And if you're lucky enough to be there during a festival, like the Feast of St. Joseph, get ready for a party. They shut down the street. There's music, there's dancing, there's food everywhere. It's like the whole neighborhood comes together to celebrate. It's an experience you won't forget. It's showtime! Last but not least, we're ending our Providence adventure with a bang at the Providence Performing Arts Center. This place is incredible. It's this beautifully restored theater from the 1920s, with ornate details and a grand lobby that'll make you feel like you've stepped back in time. And they've got some seriously impressive shows coming through here. We're talking Broadway productions, concerts, comedy shows, ballet, you name it. They've got something for everyone. So whether you're into musicals, plays, or stand-up comedy, there's a good chance you'll find something awesome to see at the Providence Performing Arts Center. And hey, even if you don't catch a show, it's worth checking out the theater itself. They offer tours where you can learn about the history of the building and see all the behind-the-scenes areas. It's pretty cool. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top things you have to check out when you're in Providence, Rhode Island. From the mind-blowing Waterfire to the delicious food on Federal Hill, Providence has something for everyone. It's a city with a rich history, a vibrant arts scene, and a whole lot of heart. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Providence today. You won't regret it. And hey, If you've been to Providence, let me know in the comments what your favorite thing about the city is. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.